Hello everyone, my name is Arun. We will continue the C++ hackering series with the next problem, string. So the string is nothing but a string class which operate on string. It implements many operations such as input-output operation on strings. It is very much helpful whenever we want to parse the string. We want to divide the string and take separate inputs from the strings. So there are basically two operators, the right shift operator to extract the data and the left shift operator to insert the data. Consider this example. They have created one string class object called SS. They have given one string as a input here for that class. They are basically calling the class constructor here. Uh, if we want to extract this 23, 4, 56, we can just take this. We can use the object followed by the right shift operator to extract data. There is first integer data, so we need to use the int data type over here. Followed by that we have comma, so we are using the character data type and so on. So after this line is executed, we will be having AS23, BS4, CS56 and CH will be containing the commas. So we need to implement the same function, but we need to given us such a string, we need to extract the integers and store it in the vector format and return that vector. We need to just implement this parseInts function over here. Other things such as input and printing the integers are automatically handled. We need to just parse the string, extract the integers and put them in the string, put them in the vector. So we will create this string class object. We will pass string over here. Now we need to store them in the vector and return it. So the vector is nothing but a dynamically sized array, we can say. The advantage of vector over array is that we can increase or decrease the size of the vector. We can insert any number of elements. We can modify them easily using predefined functions and many more things. So they are very much similar but lot more advantageous than arrays. You can learn more about vectors in Geeks for Geeks articles. There are various predefined functions which makes vector well suited for most of the competitive coding programs. We will define vector. Vector is defined like this: vector followed by the data type of that vector followed by the name of that vector. We will use one character because there are in between commas in the string. We will use one temp variable to store them. We will use for loop to iterate over the string. While this, until there is an element in this string class, we will iterate and extract the data and store it in temp. We will push that element directly into So to add or push the element into vector, we use the push underscore back function, which is predefined. We will push the temp, element temp. After that we encounter the comma. We will just read and store it in the variable ch. It is not necessary for us. Return. We will return this vector. Everything else, input and output, is already handled. The sample test case have been passed. The code is correct. Thank you.